Hello guys, and today I'm going to be showing you the basics of jailbreaking your iPod Touch, iPhone, iPad or any other iDevice that you have. I'm on firmware 4.0 at the moment because I didn't like 4.0.2 because I couldn't jailbreak my device and I restored it. Oh yeah, by the way, this is my first YouTube video. I'm iPod Hackers Help 1. If you want to search for any of my videos. So this is my first jailbreak, information about jailbreaking on your iPod. Right, firstly, what you want to do is check that you're on 4.0. I'm on 4.0 there. So you can see that I'm not lying. I am on 4.0. My camera's a bit crap, but you can see it, I think. Yeah, anyway, I am on 4.0 and what I did was upgraded to 4.0.2 and restored, which honestly you shouldn't do. I'm going to face the consequences. So, to jailbreak your device, if you're on 4.0, is what you want to do is go into web, and you want to type in www.jailbreakme.com, and when that comes up you see this page here and it will say slide to jailbreak. You won't see anything like it says oops there, you won't see that at all. Because I've already jailbroken, so it says oops, the server crashed or something like that, so you won't see that. If you're on 4.0, just slide to jailbreak there, and then, then you're done, really. And then just wait, and then your device will, I think it will automatically reboot, I don't know, I can't exactly remember, it was ages ago when I jailbroke mine. Yeah, and then when you do come onto your device, on your springboard, there will be an icon that looks just like that. Can't really see it because of my camera, but there will be an icon that's just like that. That's Cydia. That is the thing that you really need to get all the packages and sources and everything that you need. So I'll show you what Cydia looks like. Cydia looks just like this. It is quite a slow sort of icon. It's a slow sort of thing because probably because of all the packages and everything that's in Cydia. There's absolutely everything in Cydia. Right, at the bottom you can see there's Cydia home there. There is sections, changes, manage and search. Search, manage, sections, changes and Cydia. Right. So search is probably your main one really that you probably want to search all your packages with. I don't want it to reload the data, so I'll come off that. Right, and anyway, what you can download from Cydia is what I tell you to download first really, which is pretty good, is Winterboard. So Winterboard is a sort of a theme installer sort of thing. So at the moment I've got Mac battery, volume boost. You can get like a lot of sort of things from that. I've got a black pop-up, you can get green pop-ups, orange, pink, different sort of pop-ups for your, so like when your iPod's just about to run out of battery, you can have, like, instead of it being normal and like bland colour, you can have it as pink, purple, red, orange, green, or anything like that really. You can have different keyboards, but I choose not to have different keyboards really because it sort of doesn't work for some reason, so I'll tick that off for a minute. Right, you can have different fonts, you can have sliders, so I've got an Apple slider at the moment. You'll see my Apple slider in a minute. You can have transparent docks, a lot of things which you can put into Winterboard. But when you do choose something in Winterboard, as soon as you click your home button here, right, as you can see, my iPod's it's done like a soft reboot really. So we'll just wait for this to come back on. We'll just wait a second, because I think it will come back on. Will it? Yep, right. Okay, so my iPod's came back on now. And as you can see, I've got an Apple slider, which I've got from Winterboard. I downloaded a package from Cydia. Yeah, so that's Winterboard really. Another one is 5-icon dock, I think it is. 5-icon dock or 5-icon, I can't really remember. this is something that you can get from Cydia, so you can put as many icons in here as you want, and you can slide at the bottom. So you can see I've got 4 there. I've got my App Store and music. I've got 2 folders, one for my social, one for my jailbreaks. I've got YouTube, web, photos and videos on my other one. Right. A really good, oh god, sorry about that. A really good thing you can get from Cydia if you are on 4.0, instead of having folders here, there and everywhere, you can put as many apps as you want into these folders. I honestly can't remember what it's called. If I knew what it was called then, let me just think, what's it called? I don't know, you're going to have to search for that on YouTube, guys, but I honestly can't remember what it's called at all. Right, so yeah, that's that. A few things that you can download from Cydia is Make It Mine. So Make It Mine is like, instead of having like iPod in the top left hand corner or anything like that, you can change it to like a name, or so like this is just an example. I'll just type any random letters up now, and then you can just press carrier, and in the top right hand corner you can see there's some words there. Well, you probably won't be able to see it on my camera, but you can see there's some words there. I don't choose to have words there because I just don't. And in the middle as well, where the time is, you can change that. So let me just type in some random letters again and press banner. You can just about see there's some letters there, so but I don't really have that. So banner here is the time, and carrier is where your Wi-Fi is, and you can change the letters there, but I don't exactly have anything there. Right, the next thing is MXTube. MXTube is like a YouTube downloader. You can download YouTube videos straight onto your iPod Touch device. You don't need Wi-Fi after. So like if you've downloaded a YouTube video on Wi-Fi, and then you go out, and then you can still watch the video if you're not on Wi-Fi. So which is pretty handy really if you want to download a few things and watch it if you're on the train or if you're on the plane or something, which is pretty good. Another package is Mobile Theatre. Mobile Theatre is like you can, let me show you it. Mobile Theatre is, look, here it says TV shows, movies, music, downloads. I'll show you what I've downloaded at the moment. Right, I've downloaded Dinner for Schmucks, the new film that's came out, The Hot Tub Time Machine, Big Bang Theory, 2 Big Bang Theories, and you can also download music as well, but that is pretty slow. The music is on mine. I don't know if it is on anyone else's, but it is on mine. Let me just get rid of my background. By the way, guys, this here is SB settings. What I'm going to show you now. This is SB settings. This is really good. So this here can turn on your Wi-Fi off and on. It can turn on your Bluetooth off and on. It can you can do your brightness. You can fast notes, remove your background, respring, power, refresh, and it's really good. It is pretty good. What else is there? Right, let's have a quick look here. Poof. So like if you didn't want, so like here I've got voice memos, and I didn't want voice memos there. What I'd do is I'd go here onto Poof, and it says enumerating applications here. It's just like thinking of what applications I have. So if I didn't want voice memos, I'd look for voice memos, then see where it says here Mike. Well, I've changed my name to Mike. I'd turn it off, and then when I went back it wouldn't be there, but on mine it is there, but it wouldn't be there. Right. Yeah, and that's pretty much all from Cydia really. Well, that's what I've got. There is things like when you turn your iPod device like that, all your icons like change to that side, so it's like that's called SB Rotator. This thing here is called 5 icon springboard. If you go on Cydia and type in 5 icon, there's a lot of like things that you can see. I'll do it right now. Look, if I typed in 5 icon, there's a lot of different like things. Watch. Just wait until it loads the data. Really. Cydia is pretty slow, but well, I don't think there's really any way of getting around it really. I've tried looking, but honestly I don't really care. Right, if you type in 5 icon. Keyboard is so slow and Cydia. Right, come on. Oh my god. Right, I'll type in 5 icon. I don't think this is right. See, you can see here it says 5 icon dock, 5 icon switcher, and it's like different sort of things that you can download to make your iPod have 5 there instead of having 4, having that there instead of having just, it's just solid. What else is there really? Oh yeah, Installers. Installers is like amazing. Installers is amazing because it like lets you download free apps. So the source that you're gonna have to put into Cydia to get Installers is cydia.hackilo.us, and then it'll soft reboot your iPod, I think, and then you will have if you go back onto Cydia and go onto the source, you will have the option of downloading Installers, and when you do that, you'll have that icon, the little green icon there. I don't exactly use Installers a lot because it is illegal, by the way. Well, I don't know if it is illegal because you're downloading it from different sites, so I don't know, I haven't really looked at it that way, but I don't really use Installers a lot. Another thing is, as you can see here in the top left hand corner, I've got that little icon there, that's Grooveshark, right? If you go into Grooveshark, which is like a basic music searcher, well, which most people use on the internet, you can I got this. I was so excited when it came out on the App Store because I've been waiting for it to come out for absolutely ages. I downloaded it. I was searching everywhere on Cydia, and fortunately I found it. I just typed in Grooveshark and it came up. So if you do that, and then you'll get like a free music downloader, free music. Like when you haven't got Wi-Fi around, you can still listen to your music. It's like an iTunes store, but free basically. And that's about it, guys. Please do subscribe, and well, this is my first video, so be nice, please. And thanks a lot. Cheers, bye.